Make Ramazan fun for kids. Ramazan is a month that excites many Muslim children all over the world. For parents of young children, teenagers, and adolescents, now might be the best time to educate your entire family on what to prepare for. In order to cope during the long hours of fasting, this is the time to be productive and get geared up to face the challenges ahead of us. Here are 10 helpful and fun tips that can make Ramazan enjoyable for your children and boost their energy during the fasting mode. And when children are happy, moms are happy and energized as well. Number 1. Fast together as a family. Number 2. Play through acting. Number 3. Take a nap together. Number 4. Read children's books on Ramazan. Number 5. Hold Ramazan competitions for children. Number 6. Cook with your kids for iftar. Number 7. Break fast together. Number 8. Invite family, friends, and neighbors for iftar. Number 9. Say the prayer together. And last, number 10. Prepare for Eid by decorating the house together.